Welcome this video titled Elevate Your Workspace Inspire Home Office Decor Idea. Introducing the concept of a home office have become increasingly prevalent in today's demand office environment as more individual embrace remote work. The importance of create a product and inspire home office space cannot be overstated. A well designed home office not only enhance effective but also contribute to a pleasant work atmosphere. We will explore create office decor idea to help you are transforming your workspace into a have a productive and style. Choose the right location before trying into decor. Consider the location of your home office. A dedicated space with ample natural light can significantly impact your mood and product post your day. Need a window to maximize sunlight and your ability of glass. Personalization wall design. Personalization your space with wall decor that reflect your personalization and inspire create. Consider a gallery wall with frame, nominate, quick artwork or family photo, magic board or and principling add to keep note and to do list them. Conclusion create and invite and functional home office